A portion of Aiken County is a bit scorched tonight. An afternoon brush fire damaged several acres of property and threatened homes. George Eskola was on the scene during the anxious moments the fire was out of control.
Silver Bluff firefighters were the first on the scene, and the two-man unit quickly went to work. The fire appeared to be everywhere and growing, threatening homes and frightening residents.
I can't lose my house. I don't have that much as it is. And it's rough.
Friends and neighbors added to the firefighting effort, but more help was needed. Heavy equipment and extra crews were called in from Aiken to contain the blaze. The fire probably covered at least a dozen acres of land. It moved quickly because of the wind and dry conditions. Fire was brought under control, but brush fires and the way they spread still amaze veteran firefighters. Were you surprised how quickly it was burning?
No, not in the least bit. It usually happens that way. It's pretty dry. People don't realize it, but it's real dry still.
You and your crew were the first ones on here. It looked overwhelming when you first arrived.
It really did. The situation looked pretty bleak.
The cause of this fire is believed to be either a careless match or careless burning. In Aiken County, George Eskola for Newswatch, live at 6.
And we should all be careful, of course, with our matches and burning because it's going to be dry for a bit longer.
We haven't had rain for a week, and we're going to shortly check with George Myers to see when we may get some rain next. That's after we check in with ABC and World News Tonight.
This is Lynn Sharon, New York. Coming up on World News Tonight, the violent end to a siege in Utah. The leader of Panama is implicated in a money laundering scheme. And a restaurant that gives patrons only 1 hour to eat.
The Lincoln Town Car, please.
Oh, I remember, sir. Oh, no. This is my car.
My new Lincoln Town Car, please.
Oh, very good, sir.
More and more discerning people are making the obvious choice. Lincoln Town Car. Uncompromised, unmistakable.
He finally listened.
Lincoln. What a luxury car should be.
Dave Lennox, since 1895, hard at work with new ideas in heating and cooling. And now get the high-efficient Lennox Pulse Gas Furnace, and you may save up to 42% on fuel bills. Call your independent Lennox dealer.
If it's old-fashioned quality you're looking for, look no further than Earl Babbitt Incorporated. Give us a call today.
For all your comfort needs, call Bruce at Central.
Call us today for quality installation and dependable service.
Attaboy, Dave.
You don't need a reason. You don't need a special day. When you're missing someone, it feels so good to say, yeah. Hello, everyone. You've got so much to tell. Hello, everyone. This is Southern Belle.
Isn't there someone special you'd like to call?
Every week in TV Guide, you'll find writing that's really worth reading. For example, in the new TV Guide, read about an American legend, the king of rock and roll, Elvis Aaron Presley. In an exclusive article for TV Guide, the woman who knew him best writes about her memories, his mystique, and a side of Elvis others seldom saw. Don't miss Priscilla Presley's recollections in the new issue of TV Guide. Pick up your copy today.
George, I understand that spring may be on the way.
Hey, let me tell you, if you want to get out,
When?
well, if you want to get outside this weekend, this is the weekend for it. Plenty of sunshine, which isn't good for the brush fires, but plenty of sunshine and temperatures really warming up. So
Should we break out the shorts or what?
Short sleeve shirts at least.
Okay.
Yes, it's going to be that warm. It'll probably look like this. Take a look at our kids' picture in today from Stephanie Chamness of Levi White School. And yeah, we're going to see plenty of sunshine just like Stephanie drew here with blue skies and a couple cumulus fair weather clouds, but that's going to be just about it. So a nice weekend coming up with pleasant temperatures. And I guess it's only Thursday, but it's time we start talking about the weekend. It was a chilly morning, though, across much of the southeast. Teens low temperatures well into the teens across much of Georgia and South Carolina. Blairsville in the mountain, 14 this morning. And Florida, another rough morning, but not cold enough to injure the citrus crop. 25 in Jacksonville, 19 in the capital city, Tallahassee, and way down south in Tampa, almost the freezing mark. But a nice warming trend coming up for much of the southeast. southeast over the next couple days. Out west in the mountains, where we usually expect icy cold temperatures this time of year, was almost tropical heat. Look at Denver, 57 degrees. Billings, Montana, way up there, 59. Prickly heat plastering the plains. Look at Oklahoma City, 65 degrees. And Fort Smith, Arkansas, 65. And we'll get a taste of some of those 60s as early as tomorrow. So a nice day coming up with plenty of sunshine. Check out the official stats now at Busch Field. High temperature 55 after a cold start of just 18 at Busch Field. No rain right now at 6. We're at 53 degrees. Humidity 25%. Pressure high and steady, and wind southwest at 7 miles an hour. Sky watchers today again for the third morning in a row. We're shivering just a bit. A low of 53 degrees, humidity 25%, pressure high and steady, and wind southwest at 7 miles an hour. Sky watchers today again for the third morning in a row. We're shivering just a bit. A low of 20 in Johnston as we talk to the fine folks at KSX Radio. In Aiken, 18 degrees. Third morning in a row they've been in the teens in Aiken. In Barnwell, Melody Bigger is 52 for a high, 26 for low. In Sylvania, more teen low temperatures. They were at 18 with a high of 54. And in Thompson, 52 and 26 degrees. All across the two-state area, temperatures rebounded nicely with plenty of sunshine. You'll see 50s all across central Georgia, Midlands of South Carolina along the coast, Greenville stalling out at 49. But tomorrow, look for temperatures to be a good 8 degrees warmer than you see on the map today. And by Saturday and Sunday, 10 to 12 degrees warmer. So a real warming trend taking over. Here's a satellite shot. You'll see why it's getting warmer. Just plenty of sunshine all over the place. A sunny salvo stretching from northwest Texas all the way to Georgia and the Carolinas. Nice big high pressure system smack dab over the southeast, producing the sunshine, and this high will be in control for the next many days. So what you see here is what you're going to get right into the weekend, so make your plans accordingly. Here's how it'll all work on our forecast map. High pressure, of course, ushered in our cold Arctic air that we've had over the past couple days, but due to abundant sunshine, that cold air mass is warming nicely. Plus, as we put the map in motion for Friday, the high pressure system will move eastward, produce a nice warm flow out of the south, so high temperatures tomorrow will hit about 62 degrees across our viewing area, with look 70s down south across northern Florida, the Gulf Coast, some sections of Mississippi and southern Alabama, and look for this 62 to transform into a 68 as we head towards our viewing area, with look 70s down south across northern Florida, the Gulf Coast, some sections of Mississippi and southern Alabama, and look for this 62 to transform into a 68 as we head towards Saturday and Sunday with sunshine all over the place. Here's the official forecast now for tonight. Clear, not as cold, a low of just 28, which is pretty hot for us compared to the past couple mornings. Winds will be calm. For tomorrow, sunny and warmer, high 62. Winds will be southwest at 10, a nice day. For the 5-day outlook, sunshine next 3 days. Spring fever for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 60s, lows warming to the 40s. And as far as the lake levels, Thurman Lake, 319.7. For the 5-day outlook, sunshine next 3 days. Spring fever for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 60s, lows warming to the 40s. And as far as the lake levels, Thurman Lake, 319.7. Butler Creek at 3.2. So yeah, it's going to be a great weekend
really
if you want to get outdoors and enjoy yourself.
Super Bowl fans can practice a little before the game.
Exactly.
Thanks, George. We'll see you tonight.
Okay.
Some chemicals you use at home could be polluting the air you and your family breathe. Homes that are poorly ventilated have the biggest problem. And something as simple as opening a window can make all the difference in the world. Tonight on the Nightcast, Dr. Art Uline concludes his series on chemical air pollution. He'll tell us what causes this dangerous hazard and what you can do about it. Join us for all your news, weather, and sports again tonight at 11.
Still ahead tonight, a vote to organize some workers at Fort Gordon.
And explaining the maze of lines that make up the new tax forms.
It's January meltdown at Pontiac Master GMC Truck. Fiero's $99.29, save $1,000. Grand Am's $99.71, save $1,700. Bonneville's $12,888, save $2,500. GMC Jimmy's $99.81, save $2,600. Pontiac 6000's $10,432, save $3,200. All with air and loaded. New 88 Pontiac's priced as low as $59.95. $59.95 during our January meltdown at Pontiac Master GMC Truck, where after we sell, we serve since 1937.
Creighton Laircy says buy now for the season's lowest prices on Carrier's high-efficiency gas pack. Buy before January 31st and get a factory rebate of $200, or delay payments until June 1st with no interest charges. Prices start as low as $1,490 on our 2-ton units. Special prices on our other high-efficiency systems. Financing available with payments as low as $40 a month. Call now for a free survey and the lowest prices of the year. The Creighton Laircy Company, 736-6662.